I'm Sai and welcome back to my channel Sai Tech. In today's we'll try to do the 4G plus aggregation support test and the download test and the speed test comparison between all of these three smartphones which I got right now. So in this test I'll try to use only the Jio SIM card. This is an extreme indoor type condition. The first phone is a Poco M3 Pro as you can see, and the second phone is a Poco X3. And the third phone is a Samsung Galaxy M51. As you can see friends, Samsung Galaxy M51. In all the three smartphones I did install the Jio SIM only. Let me just show you the RX Monitor application so you'll be able to see exactly what kind of SIM I am trying to use. So this is the RX Monitor application which I am trying to use. As you can see, all the three smartphones are showing you the Jio 4G successfully. As you can see, in this location 4G plus I am getting in the Poco X3. So first let's start with the download test. I'll try to go to the Play Store and I'll try to download this game at same time. Here I did get the stopwatch as you can see friends. Now let's see which phone will be able to download faster. So at same location I'm trying to do it. 1, 2, 3. As you can see friends, at same time I did click the download test. So this is a kind of real life practical test which I'm trying to do using the Jio SIM card. So in this way you'll be able to get to know which phone has got faster download speeds. So this is an indoor Jio type testing. So if you enjoy this kind of 4G plus content, don't forget to check out this playlist which I have created for the 4G plus, particularly outdoor and indoor everywhere. I did try even on my top of my building as well. All the details you can find in the playlist. As you can see, so much of details will be there friends, so make sure to check that video playlist. And right now you can see friends, all the three smartphones are doing pretty good job, but Poco X3 the speeds are much higher because you are getting 4G plus aggregation and the band is 1800 band. As you can see, that is the reason we are getting faster speeds. The reason I did not start the stopwatch is because after this at same time testing I'll try to do the individual download test. Individual download test will vary the speeds, so I need to use the stopwatch at that time, not now. That is the reason I did not start the stopwatch at this time. So I'll try to do the individual download test as well. So once I think the Poco X3 finished the first download, you can clearly see friends the Poco X3. Another two phones, they're not getting any 4G plus. There is no 4G plus sign in the other phones. Let me slightly decrease the brightness. As you can see friends, there is no 4G plus, there is no 4G plus, but both phones are using the same 1800 band. You can clearly see that, as you can see. So in the indoor conditions right now, the Poco X3 is the phone which is getting really good signals in terms of the indoor condition. As you can clearly see friends, the difference. So right now these two phones are taking really very long time in terms of downloads, and I think first position is the Poco X3 and second position may be close to I think Samsung phone, Samsung Galaxy M51, third position to the Poco M3 Pro. So now I'll try to download the game one by one individually. So then I'll try to use the stopwatch. So in this way we'll be able to get to know which phone has got the faster speeds. So finally all the phones are finished. So this is how the test works. Let me uninstall the game. I am uninstalling the game. I'll try to start the test from one by one phone. Let me uninstall. Yeah. So let's start from the Poco M3 Pro. Let's see friends how much time the Poco M3 Pro will take to download the game, and meanwhile we can even focus on the top speed. On the notification panel you can see the speeds, how much we are getting. As you can see friends, you can see clearly the speeds. So right now it's kind of close to 900 MB, as you can see clearly. So 900 right now, 35% is finished, as you can see. So 61 Mbps of speeds we got it, and the time is about close to 40 seconds. As you can see, 40 seconds right now, not much. So still the speeds are very low in this phone. At this point you can see friends, it's not that great in terms of the speeds. That is what the small problem is at this point in this phone. So Poco M3 Pro finished exactly at 1 minute and 1 second. As you can see friends, 1 minute 1 second the Poco M3 Pro completely finished. So next check the Poco X3, how much the Poco X3 will be there. The Poco X3, let me turn on 1, 2, 3. So this phone I think we are getting the 4G plus, so this phone should be able to finish the download speeds within 1 minute of time. Sorry friends, I got a call, that is the reason I did stop. Let me try to start again. Let's see this time how much the scores we can actually expect in this phone. That is what I'm going to check at this moment. The speeds, as you can see friends, on the top of the notification panel I'm getting the speeds about close to I think same kind of speeds, 1 Mbps. Just now it reached 4G plus, that is the reason the speeds increased. Let's see how much more time the Poco X3 phone gonna take. This is a Poco X3. Sorry. So right now the time is about 35 seconds as well. So I think it's kind of same kind of results I'm expecting. So as you can see, this is a Jio SIM card which I'm trying to use right now, and same kind of results. I think nothing much difference. I think Poco M3 Pro only did better, I think, job. The Poco X3, it's not that great. Sometimes the Poco X3 has got a problem as well with the internet connection. Right now, as you can see, friends, the speeds are not increasing. So I'm getting only one signal bar sometimes. So overall, I think the Poco X3 phone took about 1 minute and 20 seconds, 1 minute and 19 seconds. So 1 minute 1 second, 1 minute 19 seconds. Let's see how much time this Samsung will take. Sorry, I better restart again. Yep. So let's see if in Samsung Galaxy M51 how much time this phone gonna take. So this is going to be really interesting. On the top of notification panel, you can see the speeds as well. So right now it's coming about 450 and 340 Mbps, not much, not bad at all. .785 and 500 Mbps, 500 kbps, sorry, not Mbps, kbps speeds I'm getting. And 51% finished, as you can see, 57 as well, 67, 72, 76, 78, 86. Wow, I think the Samsung gonna complete maybe the fast, I think so. So let's see, 1 minute and 5 seconds. So 1 minute 5 seconds, 1 minute 19 seconds, 1 minute 1 second. So overall the Poco M3 Pro did download slightly faster. Let's check the speed test application. Is the speed test application which I'm going to do the speed test comparison as well. So which phone will be having the faster speeds? That is what I'm going to check right now. Let's see, friends. Doing it same time. All the three smartphones are connected to the same Wi-Fi, same 4G only. You can see the Reliance Jio, Reliance Jio, Reliance Jio. So everything is Reliance Jio SIM only I'm trying to use in all the three smartphones at the same time. As usual, I'm getting the 4G place always in the Poco X3 without any kind of problems. And the high speeds right now is found in the Poco X3. You can clearly see, friends, high speeds, the Poco X3 phone at this point. I'll try to do the test one more time, and then we'll be able to check. So in the first round, the Poco X3 is a winner, second is the Poco M3 Pro, third is the Samsung. So at the same time I'm trying to do the test. Let's see in the second time which phone will be the clear winner. So in this way I'll be trying to end this kind of test, and make sure to check the playlist, friends, in case if you want to know more videos. You can find the 4G plus speed playlist that will be clearly helping you a lot in terms of knowing which phone has got what kind of performance levels. Right now Poco X3 is getting slightly higher speeds, as you can see, 8 Mbps, 9 Mbps, 10 Mbps. Wow, in the same location. That's fantastic, friends. That is the advantage of getting the 4G place. So 4G place will be having the slightly better advantage in terms of speeds increasing in this way. That's fantastic. You can see the upload speeds and everything, as you can see clearly, not bad. 2.45 and 2.39, 2.88. As you can see, friends, these are the final results, and final winner is the Poco X3 device for having the better 4G plus connectivity indoor conditions. That's really great in the Poco X3, but still there is a lot of things to be improved in the Poco X3 as well. Some of the users, they are facing really low signal internet speed problem, but that's another thing. So thank you for watching this video, friends. For more videos, make sure to subscribe and stay tuned for more updates as well. See you in the next video, friends. Until then, bye.